Hello, today I want to share with you how to list the files for some file extension in a folder using Microsoft Excel. So in the repository you will see this file. When you clone the repository you get this file. Just open it, and here you can see there is some input that you need to make. Here is the part that you want to list the file. Let's say I want to list for all the files in this folder. It's in here. Let's say I create a new file. So now we have three files here, which is .py, .py, and .md. Let's see if it is. Let's see how it works. So the script, there are two functions. The first function will get some input and then make a request to the second function to get the list of the files. So in the first function it will take the values in cell B1 for the target part and the cell B2 for the extension that we want to list, and then it will show the result to the cells in column A5. So when we run this, we click at the first function, we press run. So you can see here there are two files since we focus on the py files, and it's also appear here. Let me show you again. So this time we will create a button. Let's use this square. Okay, and then we assign macro and we use this one. We can remove this one first and then we press run command. So we get the list of files that has .py at the end. That's all for today. Thank you so much. Have a great day.